bed, so again, position the wheelchair 45 degrees. Baliktad naman, ma'am. Okay, this is the patient good side, diba? Okay, so you should now face the wheelchair towards the head of the bed, 45 degrees. Okay, so the same procedure, you have to identify the patient, explain the procedure, blah, blah, blah. And then procedure. So for the procedure, so first is, first you have to remove the footrest. Then lower the patient foot to the floor in the other one. Okay. And then ask the patient again to scoot forward up to the edge of the wheelchair. First you have to scoot forward first the good side, and then bad side, good side, and then bad side. So when the patient already reached the edge of the wheelchair, so again, use that Tiffany technique or method, or sandwich method, it's up to you. And then, again, ask your patient to hold on your shoulder or your arm, if you could able to do so, or if not, so just let the patient arms on the patient's lap. Okay. And then again, using the guarding belt. Okay, ma'am, at the count of 3, so help me to place you from sitting to standing. So again, with the bad leg backward, slightly backward, and then the good leg, bad leg slightly forward. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, then again, let the patient gain her balance, and then afterwards, ask the patient again to pivot on the good side. Okay, ma'am? Pivot or turn on your good side. Good leg. Then push the bad leg. Good leg. And then push the bad leg. Until the patient backward the good leg. Then push the bad leg. Until the patient reach the edge of the bed. And then you can now ask the patient to sit slowly. 1, 2, 3, go. And then, again, ask the patient to squat, good leg, then help the bad leg, good leg, then bad leg. Then, after that, so again, you can ask the patient to squat the bad leg by the good leg. Okay, ma'am? Assist your bad leg with your good leg by scooping it. And then, ask the patient with the two place her bad leg and good leg towards the bed. Then assist the patient. Then slightly assist the patient from sitting to lying position. Then again, take the patient's vital sign. Then afterwards, so just leave the patient warm and comfortable, and then return to the nurse in charge report, and then document and wash your